Okay, we got a few little tools here. Got a little level. It clips on the string. And I've got some string. And tape measure, hammer, tripod. Always got to have a tripod whenever you're trying to frame up something. All right. So we basically laid out kind of the basics of it. But what I was going to do today is I was going to try to get the strings ran and see if I can see where level is and everything. See if we can do anything like that. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to see if this is square. As you can see, I've got, you can kind of see it. Maybe green string was not the best thing to bring up into the hills. It kind of blends in. But anyway, here's the string. And it looks pretty square, but I bet it's not completely square. That's going over here to the stake that I've got at, I changed my dimensions a little. It's going to be 14 foot. But anyway, first off, to find out if we're square, we're going to use, tighten that up a little, the 3, 4, 5 method. First thing you do, measure over 3 foot. That's right on 3 foot. Then come over here and measure 4 feet from the angle there. Right there's 4 feet. That's why I tied these little knots. Stay on there. That's why I tied these knots on there. 4 feet right there. Okay. Now when you go between that knot and this knot, it should be 5 feet. If it's not, the angle is not 90 degrees. It's almost. Let me move the stake over just a little bit. We'll just pull him out. Move him over just a little. Then we try it again. One thing about strings, though, you want to make sure that you're not pulling the string. Just measuring where it's at. Trying to watch that other end. There we are. That is right about on it. Now, this little guy snaps right on the line. Probably too big a string for it, but trying to use the stuff I've got, so we'll make it work. Okay. And when you're trying to level a string, it's best to put the level in the middle. So I want to put it in the middle. That way, if the string is bowing down, you don't want it on the downhill side, if that makes any sense. Now, as you can see, or might be able to see, the bubble is way over here. We want it over in the middle. So I'm going to lift this end up. Watch the bubble. There we go. Now, first time. All right, now our line is level. Okay, now I want to measure from this one across to 10 feet. It's going to be right there. Measure out 10 feet. And you want to put your string tight around right where 10 feet is. And I'm going to tie it off. Okay, now if you remember, this is only going to be in here temporarily until we can find 14 feet from the other side. Let me measure from that other tree. 13. Huh. I don't know what the chances I would have got it right on, but right there is 14 feet. Okay. Now we'll just tie the other end of the tree. Like I said before, these two trees are exactly, for some reason, 10 feet apart, which makes that pretty easy to measure. So we can tie this on right here. So, okay, since we made sure that that corner is square, then since we measured from this one and measured from this one to there, that corner should be square. And that one. And that one. Let's just see. Just in case we got to move it. Let's find out. Three foot. 4 foot. 5 foot. Now we need to check the level. I'm going to go on through. Okay, I'm going to go on through and check all the square corners, and I'm going to make sure everything's level. And then we got some wood to unload, and that'll be it. Okay, here we go. That's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a bunch of wood down there. I've also got a bunch of concrete blocks and stuff too. Here I've actually removed some of the leaves and stuff. I have to borrow a chainsaw. I don't have a chainsaw to cut that with, but it won't be there much longer. So, yep, that'll disappear. Yeah, that's kind of got a little bit of a start on it. Dogs are being lazy. That dog. He's still wagging his tail. He never stops. Okay, that's going to be about it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.